love, African family, peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa Family, coming to you live from the Two Rivers Mall. You see, you want to come and do shopping. I also want to come and I also want to go on the Big Eye. So today, family, we're going to go on the Big Eye in Two Rivers. So we're going to show you the Big Eye. One and only eye is the Big Eye. Yeah. If I was over there, it's like a racetrack. Actually, we're going down. We're going down to the ground floor to go to the Big Eye. Big Eye.
Mr. What is here?
Yeah, family. So we're actually at the ground floor. This is where Burger King is a spot for kids. We're actually at the ground floor, family. These are called car for kids. These are the restaurants. So as you can see, you guys, you can take a look how big Two Rivers Mall is. Over there we have the racetrack. For what? What do you want to see? Big Eye's right there. So family, we're going to the Big Eye. So you want to ride on the Big Eye?
Yes, I want to ride on the Big Eye. It's been a while. I'm close to it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I want to experience it again.
Big Eye.
Feel nice.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, you can skate. So you come to skate.
The kids have their
Yeah. Big Eye. Big Eye.
They should be coming to.
Yeah. So as you can see, guys, this small family is actually in nature, as you can see. Very good. This is like a sports game, pool room game. Yeah, family. So family, that's the Big Eye over there, family. That's where we're going, the Big Eye. This is like a water sports. As you can see, family, this is like a water sports. It's like you can ride these things through these things. You can ride these things through these things. Yeah, family, so as you can see, you know, the Two Rivers Mall is like a place for fun. You can bring your kids. There's so much activity for them to do. So on a weekend, this is where you actually bring your kids in Kenya, family. Right. Yeah, family, so heading up now to the Big Eye. Heading up to the Big Eye.
This is the place they used to go up and then come and dip inside the water.
Yeah. Alright, so the water pushing out. Somehow is in of this thing. Watch this one there. Up there. Up there. Up there. Down there. Yeah, fellas, as you can see, it go up and it go down and it go round and round. Woo!
water comes
And the other one.
It goes in circles, depending
Yeah,
on how
yeah.
much you paid to.
To go inside, yeah.
Yeah. So
So
I
far, they have the other one down here they can drive the water. Yeah, family, these are some of the activities you can do when you come to Two Rivers. So we're going up to the Big Eye, right? So we're going up to the Big Eye, family. Big Eye. Yeah, families, this is another activity right here. Yeah, family, so from the last time we came, it seems like there's a lot of development here. Here we have the food court. The food court was here before,
yeah, the food
but I feel like they didn't have any bounce about. Bouncing castle. And as you can see, family, they have this one that they didn't have before. And they have that one over there. Wow. And I think nothing that wasn't there, sweetie, those trees and stuff.
Yeah, these two are not.
Yeah.
Although remember the last time we came here, there was some construction going on.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Remember seeing something?
Yeah, family. So as you can see, this is another, you know what I mean, fun thing. I think it's maybe like a merry-go-round or
Let's go
something.
for popcorns. It's not for you.
You want popcorn? Where it is? Yeah. So we're gonna go get some popcorn, family. So we wanna go in this Big Eye. So we say you wanna go and get popcorn. Let's go. It's not moving. Yeah, fella, this is like a prayer room for the Muslim. And as you can see today, a lot of Muslims is here. This is the kafo. Boss, is this working? Answer. Huh? Okay. Yeah, family, we're gonna buy the ticket for the Big High. Yeah, family, so as you can see, this is how the merry-go-round works. Just want to show that to you, family. Merry-go-round. This is how it goes. Yeah, family, so now we're gonna go on the Big Eye. So let's go on the Big Eye. Eh? Walking up, walking to get in. So just enter. Yeah, family, so we actually entering the Big Eye. And this is the track, and round we have to go in. 3, yeah. So you see him start up the engine. Start up the car. If you're ready for this summer, let's go. Going in this one. So you have to up in before it while it's moving. Whoa! Yes, as you can see in the Big Eye.
You are talking like you don't want to talk?
Yeah. But I feel like he's the one controlling it, sweetie.
Of course.
So the guy that put me in family could have get an extra spin. Just give him another 500 shillings.
Not, we can still get, yes, I've told him I'll talk to my husband, I tell you.
Yeah.
You want an extra spin?
So you just give him the cash.
Yeah.
Guy.
Cash.
Kind of body not really monetized. So
Nobody's
just
monitoring,
they're
it's just
spending.
there. And even the guy.
But I'm sure that people make a lot of money. They do a lot of things,
course.
making a lot of racketeer and that thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so we're actually in the Big Eye. It's very warm.
Having fun.
So we have to take off our jacket. And it's run for 2 spin.
No, 1 spin for 500.
So 15 minutes give you 2 spin.
Wait, what
So
did
we
you
got- So 15 minutes we go around twice. I think.
Oh yeah. 2 spins. So he said if you want an extra spin.
Yeah.
Hey, but this thing is warm.
Yeah, it's very warm.
Please.
Not,
I think that's why they normally advise you come with ice cream.
cool it down.
Cool you off.
Yeah, family. So we're in the Big Eye. So when you come to Kenya, you come to Two Rivers Mall and check out the Big Eye if you want to get in the sky.
And
Sky high.
The beauty of
Outside. So this is outside, family. This is what it looks like. That's the full Two Rivers. They have apartment building up right there, and that's the ground there, as you can see. Yeah, family. But we're actually looking over Kenya right now.
yeah.
Eye.
We're looking at the beauty
Sky eye.
beauty of Kenya.
Yeah, family. So this is what it's like up in the Big Eye. Big Eye. But honest thing that we should actually bring something to eat when we come in this thing.
Of course, I have a pineapple.
Where it is? In your bag?
Yeah.
I'll eat the pineapple. Maybe I can
You can't just come alone. Like that's why I was looking for popcorns.
Yeah, you have to come with something to
Like a
munch on,
snack,
to
yeah.
just, yeah, I mean, enjoy. Sweetie, why are you pulling off the thing? Sky, sky,
The folk is in the car.
Family, we got to testify. Family, I got to testify.
Like,
Come up in the sky looking extra high. Yeah, family, so we on the ground. We on the ground. We on the ground. Yeah, family, so we on the ground now. That's not. So this is the first spin.
I think that's it.
This is not it. There's one more.
Correct. No, I think it's
Yeah. It's one more, right? Yeah, one more. So there's one more spin. Yeah, family, so it's 2 spin. And you know, if it's the first time you're watching this video, family, like, share and comment. And you know, comment and let us know if you ever check out the Big Eye in Two Rivers before.
I think why they don't want you to enter here pregnant. You see the way you enter when it's moving, of course it can't stop.
Yeah.
So maybe you can topple and fall and all that.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, family. So like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is Jam Tours Africa. One love. God bless Jamaica.